Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost, fast and free shipping, and they'll ship this out to you in no time. Alrighty, so thank you guys for watching. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody's home, staying safe. And now we got something cool to show you. Let's see what this could be. Cut there and another cut over here. Here we go. Everywhere gets a cut. Oh, we got something solar. Oh boy. Oh, here we go, guys. This is coming from Beleeb. So you guys check them out. I have the link down below. What is this? Foldable solar panel. Whoa. It's hot out there today. It's actually nice. Oh boy, we got the goods. Holy moly. Uh-huh. Alright. Get out of there. Oops. I'm going to need that for the background at least. There we go. Brought to you by Beleeb Solar. Looks like some harness or... Let's see what's this all about. It's like a little travel pouch. There goes the power. Something. Beleeb Solar. Got a tote. Nice little travel bag. Got some goodies in here. You could be. Oh, what is this little guy? USB, DC, Type C. So you can have your laptop, your Nintendo Switch. You have this outside. Whoa. Got a stand here. Whoa. There goes the set. Everything's crumbling. There we go. Steady. Now we just go. Bam. Bam. Alright. So, it's a nice size. You could fit some tablets in there. How do I? Oh. There we go. Holy moly. Now this is a solar panel. Jeez, oh Pete. We're going to test this thing outside. So we're going to do some magic and head outdoors. Holy smokes. Look at that. All these panels right there. Right here. So definitely if you guys are doing like outdoor activities, you need your stuff for your vlogs to be charged for protesting and all that. This would be a nice one to get. So you got this plugs in everything. Maybe my phone I could grab. My iPhone, probably charge that up outside, test it out. This is nice. Should pass through an airport, no problems. I mean, it's a solar panel to charge for your vlogs. This is cool. So if you're outside, you're gonna need these to cover up your power. And if I could get it out, great. There you go. I'll show you what I mean in a second. Alright. Yeah, exactly what it is. So you just gotta go take this off. Get that over there. It's a nice extension. So anything with like a generator you could do, like a small one. Good time to have one of these. Everything going on in the world, you never know. Oops. There goes that. Gonna need that. Just run it through. And I had to read the directions on that part. But we'll test everything out. Oops. To my best ability. But if you guys want to get one for yourself, all you gotta do is click the link, add it to your cart, check out. So like I said, this would be great for anyone doing outdoor vlogging, especially the workouts, your exercises. With Zoom and everything going on now, this would be perfect for anyone to get. There we go. See me take that apart. Put on for the DC. This probably could charge your other portable chargers, all that good stuff. USB, DC, yeah, see? Plug that in. And then this side will be to your DC outlet, whatever you need to plug. But we're going to do Type C, that is the one I have. Yeah, we're going to do Type C. So you can charge your cell phone, your laptop, your iPads, your Android tablets, pretty much everything tech that you guys use. And like I said, this would be a perfect storage. Store another battery charger. You could store a few good things, you know. Maybe your wallet, your ID if you carry it. Especially if you guys are out doing your protesting. So this would be a perfect accessory to have. And it's lightweight, super lightweight, and like I said, those panels, that is where it's at. Hold on one sec. Alright guys, I'm going to go outside, and 5, 4, 3, 2, here we go. Alrighty guys, we are outside. It is sunny and really warm out. So, we got some goodies I added into this bag right here, coming from Beleeb Solar. So guys, check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. And like I said, thank you guys for watching today. So I got some USB cables shoved in my iPhone. Got that. And like I said, you guys could, if you have your laptop or something with a DC plug, you could bring that with you, like a Nintendo Switch. Portable projectors, I think. Got my iPhone right here. It is completely dead, so we're going to charge it up. And I also brought one of these guys, if I can find it. One of these portable chargers. So, okay, I already got that plugged in. Now, there we go. That charge. See, it's already got the blue light. I don't know if you guys can see it. There, right there. Here's a blue light. That means it's charging up. So we're gonna try like this. I think I got my ends. Got this, goes right here. We know how the iPhone works. So just plug her in. But yeah, like I said, this you could store like a face mask, your credit cards and stuff like that. This would be a perfect one to get. And like I said, right there, USB charge. I can charge my iPhone. There we go. See, it's already charging. Got the two blues right there. Wow. I don't know if you guys could see because of the glare, but it's already started to charge. And this is completely dead, so give it a few minutes to enjoy the nice weather out today. But like I said, you can have your projector hooked up to it. Tablets, computers, laptops, tablets. Give it a second. Should show the Apple logo in a sec. Look at that though. And like I said, they got a kickstand on the back so you can do this wherever you're at, on the beach, doing your vlogs. That should be, yeah, it's still going. So that is crazy though. There we go. There's the Apple logo right there. That took like a few seconds. So like I said, if you're out, plus if you're working outside construction jobs, pretty much anything, this will charge a lot of people's phones up. And then it's super lightweight too, so all I gotta do to get the good deal right now is click the link down below, add it to your cart, they'll ship this to you fast. I think I covered pretty much everything about these. I do believe it's waterproof, but double check once you click on the link and read their description. But I do believe it is waterproof, some sort. But, and it's crazy though. It's still charging. Got the blue light on. See it right on top. Still going. Man, it is nice. I'll definitely also add this to your Christmas list. Maybe a nice gift to give somebody this holiday season coming up. So there you guys go. What was it? Beleeb. Beleeb. Just fold it up. Take it on the road. Get some free electricity. All you vloggers out there. So, really cool. Alright, YouTubers. You guys have a good night. Be safe out there. See you soon.